In this video, we will learn about integers, inequality, and absolute value. Let's start with integers. An integer is a whole number, not fractional number, that can be positive and negative or zero. Integers can be represented as points on a number line. Positive integers are greater than 0, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Negative integers are less than 0, like -1, -2, -3, and so on. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Inequality. An inequality compares numbers or quantities. When two numbers are graphed on a number line, the number to the left is always less than the number to the right. Let's find out two inequalities involving 3 and -4. Since 3 is to the right of -4, so 3 is greater than -4. Since -4 is to the left of 3, so -4 is less than 3. Absolute value. The absolute value of a number is the distance the number is from 0 on the number line. The absolute value of a number is always greater than or equal to 0. Let's find out the absolute value of 5. You can see that distance from 0 to 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So absolute value of 5 is 5. Now we have to find out the absolute value of -5. So you can see that distance from 0 to -5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. It means absolute value of -5 is 5. If you like my video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get my next video. Thanks for watching.